Today, I'm going to show you how to hide your LinkedIn profile from everyone, step by step, so you can control who can see your public profile and make your account more private. This is a simple setting, but a lot of people miss it, especially if they want to keep their profile out of search engines or reduce public visibility. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick LinkedIn tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open LinkedIn and go to your homepage. At the top of the page, click the Me icon. This is where LinkedIn keeps your account and profile settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside the settings area, look at the left sidebar and click Visibility. This section controls how your profile appears to other people and what parts of your account are visible publicly. Now scroll through the visibility options until you find the section called Visibility of your Profile and Network. In that section, click Edit your public profile. This will open the public profile settings on the right side of the screen. Here, you'll see the option for Your Profile's Public Visibility. To hide your LinkedIn profile from everyone on the public web, switch that toggle to Off. Once you turn that off, your public profile will no longer be visible to people outside LinkedIn through search engines or public profile links. That means your profile becomes much more private, which is especially useful if you're job hunting, changing careers, or just don't want your information appearing everywhere online. If you want to double-check that the setting worked, you can refresh the page or open your public profile link in a private browser window. You should see that the public version is no longer accessible the same way it was before. Keep in mind that LinkedIn settings can change over time, so if the layout looks slightly different on your account, the important thing is to find the Visibility section and look for Public Profile Visibility. That's all it takes to hide your LinkedIn profile from everyone. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in your privacy and online presence. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.